Hi everyone, this is the second video around calling a web API from Agent AI. And so if you are looking to use the advanced functionality and invoke a web API, then you get this screen which asks you to put in the URL and then whatever the method is, post get, etc. And then headers and body. I had done an earlier video where I was just passing the headers. I wasn't passing anything in the body. And there was a question around what is the syntax to make this work? And so this video just very quickly goes through the syntax. I have a very simple agent here. It takes text that you enter into a text area, the name of a file, and using those two, it will create a PDF and it'll put it in my Google Drive. The creating PDF, putting it into Google Drive, I just use Google Apps Scripts, find it really easy, and then they expose it as a web API. So I find this process of using Agent AI to then call something built in Google Apps Script a really good pattern to follow. But just quickly to get to what you want to do, this is the script that I'm calling. So this is the API. Method is post. The header content type is, depending on whatever your post method takes. But if you're passing JSON, then content type is JSON. And if you're passing JSON, you have to pass it in this very, very specific format. Uh, I played around with actually using the LLM to create a JSON object, store it in a variable, and then call that variable from here. But that doesn't work because it puts like an extra curly brace or something like that. And then on the other end, it just doesn't pick it up. But if you want to keep your life simple, what you need to do is, again, this, if you think about it, is your standard JSON object, curly brace. This is the key, and then put colon. This is the actual value, and then out underscore text is your variable. Make sure this is a comma and not a semicolon. Um, so again, very pure JSON format here. So separate the elements with a comma. This is the second one, PDF name out. And when you go run this, what it'll do is it'll basically take the text that you entered and create a PDF. But the point of this video was just to show you the syntax for invoking a web API and how it has to be very, very specific like this. Thank you. Hope you found this useful.